Bear's Magical Storybook.
Hello, my dear friends. Gather around because today I have a special story about the tiniest yet most hardworking creatures in the forest, the ants. It's a story of teamwork and perseverance, and I think you'll find it very inspiring.
Yay, we love your stories, Benji.
Once upon a time, in a lively meadow, there lived a colony of ants. These ants were very small, but they were also very smart and worked together like a big family. Their leader, an ant named Andy, always reminded them, "If we work together, we can achieve anything."
What did the ants do, Benji?
Well, one sunny morning, Andy noticed that their food supplies were running low. Winter was coming, and they needed to gather enough food to last until spring. So Andy called a meeting with all the ants and said, "We must work hard and collect as much food as we can."
How did they manage to gather so much food?
Every ant had a role to play. Some ants went out to find food, others stayed behind to store it properly, and a few guarded the entrance to the anthill. They worked from morning till evening, carrying tiny pieces of food back to their home. They knew that every little bit counted.
Did they face any challenges, Benji?
Yes, indeed. One day, as they were collecting food, dark clouds gathered in the sky. A heavy rainstorm began, and the ants had to work even harder to protect their supplies from getting wet. Andy encouraged everyone, saying, "Don't give up. We can do this if we stick together."
Wow, the ants are so brave and strong.
Yes, they are. Despite the storm, the ants didn't lose hope. They found clever ways to cover their food and kept working tirelessly. Finally, when the storm passed, they saw that they had gathered more than enough food for the winter. They were so happy and grateful for each other's hard work.
What a beautiful story, Benji.
Thank you, my friends. The ants taught us that no matter how small we are, we can achieve great things if we work together and never give up. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work. Now let's all enjoy this lovely evening together.
Please like, subscribe, and share with all the kids.